Hey everyone, welcome back to our health channel. With summer around the corner, it's important to stay hydrated to avoid dehydration. In this video, we'll be sharing some refreshing summer drinks that can help you stay hydrated and cool during the hot summer months. Summer is a great time to enjoy outdoor activities, soak up some sun, and spend quality time with family and friends. However, the hot and humid weather can take a toll on our bodies, and dehydration is a common concern during this season. In this video, we'll explore the importance of staying hydrated during the summer months and share some refreshing drinks that can help prevent dehydration. The importance of staying hydrated in summer. Dehydration can cause a variety of health problems, including headaches, fatigue, and heat exhaustion. When we sweat, we lose water and electrolytes, which are essential for our body's proper functioning. During summer, our bodies require more water and fluids to compensate for the higher rates of perspiration. Therefore, it's crucial to stay hydrated to avoid health issues and enjoy the summer season to the fullest. The recommended daily water intake varies based on age, gender, and activity level. However, as a general guideline, adults should drink at least 8 cups, 2 liters, of water per day. It's also essential to drink fluids before, during, and after any physical activity, especially during hot weather. The summer drinks. Drink 1. Lemonade. Lemonade is a classic summer drink that's easy to make and perfect for quenching your thirst. It's a great source of vitamin C, which is essential for our immune system, and it helps regulate blood pressure. To make lemonade, mix freshly squeezed lemon juice, water, and sugar or honey to taste. You can also add a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness and enhance the flavor. If you're looking to add a twist to the classic recipe, you can incorporate other fruits such as strawberries or raspberries, or add herbs like mint or basil for an extra kick. Drink 2. Coconut water. Coconut water is a natural electrolyte drink that can help replenish lost fluids and minerals from sweating. It's also low in calories and has a slightly sweet taste that's reminiscent of tropical beaches. Coconut water is rich in potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which are essential minerals for our body's proper functioning. It's also a good source of antioxidants and can help boost our immune system. You can drink coconut water plain or mix it with a splash of pineapple or mango juice for a tropical twist. Drink 3. Watermelon smoothie. Watermelon is a refreshing and hydrating fruit that's perfect for summer. It contains about 92% water and is a rich source of vitamin A and C, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin and eyes. To make a watermelon smoothie, blend chopped watermelon, ice, and a squeeze of lime juice. You can also add a handful of mint leaves for a refreshing twist. This smoothie is not only delicious but also helps keep you hydrated and cool during the hot weather. Drink 4. Cucumber and mint-infused water. Infused water is an excellent way to add flavor to plain water and make it more enjoyable to drink. Cucumber and mint-infused water is a refreshing and hydrating drink that's perfect for summer. Cucumber contains about 96% water and is a good source of vitamin K and potassium. Mint, on the other hand, has a cooling effect and can help alleviate indigestion and bloating. To make cucumber and mint-infused water, add sliced cucumbers and mint leaves to a pitcher of water and let it sit in the fridge for a few hours to infuse. This drink is a perfect alternative to sugary beverages and helps keep you hydrated throughout the day. Drink 5. Iced herbal tea. Iced herbal tea is a refreshing and healthy summer drink that can help keep you hydrated and cool during hot weather. Herbal teas are an excellent alternative to sugary beverages and contain antioxidants that can boost your immune system. To make iced herbal tea, steep your favorite herbs such as chamomile, peppermint, or lavender in hot water for a few minutes. Then let it cool and refrigerate. You can add a slice of lemon or honey to enhance the flavor. This drink is perfect for relaxing outdoors or enjoying a picnic with friends and family. Staying hydrated during summer is essential for maintaining good health and enjoying outdoor activities. Drinking water is essential, but it can get boring at times. The drinks we discussed in this video are not only delicious but also hydrating and healthy. Lemonade, coconut water, watermelon smoothie, cucumber and mint-infused water, and iced herbal tea are all excellent options to keep you hydrated and refreshed during hot weather. It's also important to remember that alcohol and caffeinated drinks can have a dehydrating effect on the body, so it's best to limit their consumption or avoid them altogether. Additionally, try to avoid sugary drinks as they can lead to dehydration and other health problems. In summary, staying hydrated during summer is crucial for maintaining good health and enjoying outdoor activities. The drinks we discussed in this video are excellent options to keep you hydrated and refreshed during hot weather. Remember to drink plenty of water, eat hydrating foods, and avoid sugary and dehydrating beverages. Thank you for watching this video on summer drinks to prevent dehydration. We hope you found it informative and enjoyable. Remember to stay hydrated and make the most of the summer season. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Stay safe, healthy, and hydrated.